To capture every incoming pest control lead, you must map each contact point to a tracked record immediately. Start by choosing a free customer relationship management tool that supports contact fields, activity logs, tags, and simple automation. Set up custom fields for lead source, property type, infestation severity, and preferred contact times so every entry is standardized. Create unique phone numbers for major channels using Google Voice or affordable call forwarding services, and record the source field when a call arrives so you can attribute leads to marketing or referrals. Train staff to open or update the contact record on first interaction and to log the call outcome, next steps, and a concise note about the customer concern. Use a consistent short template like problem, access, urgency, and next action. Configure the CRM to create a follow-up task within a set time frame after first contact and enable reminders by email or text so no lead falls through the cracks. Use calendar blocks for same-day or next-day callbacks and keep those callbacks visible on a shared team view to prevent duplication of outreach. Regularly export a weekly report of new leads with source and status to review conversion patterns and to refine where to place call forwarding numbers or where to add online forms. 3 common mistakes are missing attribution because different channels share one number, losing context when staff do not log full notes, and failing to follow up promptly, which lets customers go cold. Assign a dedicated number per channel to keep attribution clean. Require a 2-line note standard of issue and access for every interaction, and set automated reminders at fixed intervals like 24 hours and 3 days. Another issue is inconsistent status updates that create duplicate visits. Adopt a simple status list such as new, contacted, scheduled, completed, and closed, and have everyone use those exact terms. Finally, teams often rely on memory for callbacks, which fails during busy periods. Automate task creation on first contact and use shared dashboards so any team member can pick up an open lead. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find new jobs related to pest control and other home projects. We also host a discussion community where members exchange practical tips, ask questions about tracking tools, and share experiences that help both homeowners and service providers improve lead response and scheduling.